Hello everyone, welcome back to Antrix Media. Today's topic is something that I believe we all can relate to, saving money. Whether it's for a particular goal, paying off debt, or simply building an emergency fund, everyone wants to save money. In this video, we'll be discussing 20 money-saving tips that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. So let's get started. Tip number 1, create a budget. The first step to saving money is creating a budget. A budget will help you track your income and expenses and ensure that you're not overspending. There are several budgeting apps available that can help you create a budget and track your expenses. Tip number 2, cut down on unnecessary expenses. Once you've created a budget, it's important to cut down on unnecessary expenses. This could mean canceling subscriptions you don't use, eating out less, or buying generic products instead of branded products. Tip number 3, cook your own food. Eating out can be expensive, especially if you do it frequently. Cooking your own food at home can save you a lot of money in the long run. Meal prepping can also be a great way to save time and money. Tip number 4, shop around for insurance. Insurance can be a significant expense for many people. It's important to shop around and compare prices for different insurance policies to make sure you're getting the best deal. Tip number 5, use coupons and discount codes. Coupons and discount codes can help you save money on everything from groceries to clothing. There are several websites and apps available that can help you find coupons and discount codes. Tip number 6, buy second-hand items. Buying second-hand items can save you a lot of money. Websites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace can be great resources for finding second-hand items. Tip number 7, avoid impulse buying. Impulse buying can quickly drain your bank account. To avoid impulse buying, make a shopping list before you go to the store, and only buy the items on your list. Tip number 8, save money on utilities. There are several ways to save money on utilities, such as turning off lights when you leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, and lowering your thermostat in the winter. Tip number 9, use cashback apps. Cashback apps can help you save money on your everyday purchases. There are several cashback apps available that offer cashback on everything from groceries to clothing. Tip number 10, avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is when your expenses increase as your income increases. To avoid lifestyle inflation, try to keep your expenses the same even if your income increases. Tip number 11, avoid debt. Debt can be a significant drain on your finances. Try to avoid taking on debt whenever possible, and focus on paying off any existing debt. Tip number 12, negotiate your bills. Negotiating your bills can be a great way to save money. Call your service providers and ask if they can offer you a better deal. Tip number 13, use public transportation. Using public transportation can save you a lot of money on gas and car maintenance. If possible, try to use public transportation instead of driving. Tip number 14, save money on entertainment. Entertainment can be a significant expense for many people. To save money on entertainment, consider using free resources like the library, or finding cheap or free events in your area. Tip number 15, use your credit card wisely. Using your credit card wisely can help you save money. Make sure to pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. Also, consider using a credit card that offers rewards or cashback to earn rewards on your purchases. Tip number 16, buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money in the long run, especially for items that you use frequently like toilet paper, paper towels, or laundry detergent. Make sure to compare the price per unit before making a bulk purchase to ensure that you're getting a good deal. Tip number 17, use free online resources. There are several free online resources available that can help you save money. For example, you can use free budgeting apps like Mint to track your expenses, or free investing apps like Robinhood to invest in the stock market. Tip number 18, start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle can help you earn extra income and save more money. consider starting a side business, freelancing, or selling items online to earn extra cash. Tip number 19. Save money on housing. Housing can be a significant expense for many people. To save money on housing, consider downsizing to a smaller home or apartment, renting a room in your home, or finding a roommate to split the rent with. Tip number 20. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals can help you stay motivated and focused on saving money. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, make sure to set specific and achievable goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are several ways to save money fast. By creating a budget, cutting down on unnecessary expenses, and using coupons and discount codes, you can start saving money today. It's also important to avoid debt, negotiate your bills, and use free online resources to help you save money. By following these tips and setting financial goals, you can achieve your financial goals faster and build a secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.